How to fix Snapchat voice message on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat voice message on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here you will find Snapchat. Click on it and then just click permissions, and here you will find the microphone. You will find it here. Click on it and click allow. Now just go back and click for stop, and that's it. Now just go and try again and your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, all you need to do just go back here to storage and now click clear cache, and you can click clear data if you want, but you will need to log in again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.